Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to copy X or Twitter profile link. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, go ahead and go to the X app, open it up. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, go to the top left, tap on your profile, and again, tap on profile once more. Now, once done, you'll be able to see the share button. Alright, so go ahead and tap on share. And then all you got to do next is just tap on copy link. Now it says here copied to clipboard. Now if you were to share it or someone clicks or opens up the specific link, all right, here we have our profile link. That's basically it. Now if you want to do it on the desktop web browser, all right, so just go ahead over to x.com, hit on enter, log in with your account, and find the specific account where you wanted to share the or copy the profile link. Let's say this account right here. All you got to do is just go to the very top, double click on it, copy the URL or address bar, right click on copy, and then send it to whoever you want as well. And when you go ahead and tap on the link, it will show them the exact same profile. Your profile right here, click again, Control A, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. There you go. That's how simple it is to copy X or Twitter profile link. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.